This is the finished product of radish leaves. One full row of radish leaves is equivalent to only 1 plate with Chuvers radish, and this is Filipino squeeze radish salad with vinegar. So, taste natin if cook na ito. Ayan, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yummy, yummy. Ito yung leaves, dahon ng radish. So, lilinisin ko ito at hugasan tapos lulutuin na lang. So, watch nyo na lang kung paano ko lutuin ito. Ito naman yung tubers, dalawa yung aking binigay sa taas kasi marami ito, hindi namin maubos. So gagawin ko dito, isalat ko yung iba, tapos lulutuin ko din. So let's start now to clean. Yung medyo matigas na tangkay niya, kahoy ay tanggalin natin. Yan, ganyan. So, ganyan ito. Ayos na ito. Ayan. Tanggalin natin yung dahon para hindi masayang. Kasi ito naman ay hindi naman masasayang. Kasi ito sa kambing namin. Ayan. Oh. Masarap ito. This is very tasty. It's tastes like also Chinese pichay, yung pichay sa atin. Not yung Chinese pichay nila dito ay yung clam. But taste is like also pichay, yung pichay sa atin. Yung pichay sa atin, wala kasi dito. Last 4 years ago nung nagbakasyon ako, may dala akong mga buto noon ng pichay. Tapos tinanim ko, nabuhay. Pero wala na akong seeds sa pichay. Kaya wala na hindi na ako nakatikim ng pichay. Masarap ang pichay. Igisa-gisa lang. Kahit walang sahog. So this one is my substitute of pichay. Ayan. Ganito maglinis ng dahon ng labanos or radish. Maraming hindi nakakaalam na niluluto o inuulam itong dahon ng labanos. So I will cook in Pakistani version. With little oil and little spicy. So, I already washed this one 3 times and then nilagay ko dito sa strainer para tumulo yung tubig. Ayan, may tubig. So, ito lang yung aking ingredients. Turmeric powder o kaya haldi, chili powder, salt. You can add also green chilies. Optional. So, I will add also green chilies. And onions and garlics. As you can see, tingnan nyo yung G1 garlics ito, nangipin niya, ang lalaki. Ayan. And then this kind of garlics is our native. Ayan, tumubo na. So, tingnan nyo yung ngipin niya din. Medyo maliliit compared dito sa G1 garlics. Ayan. Ayan, tumubo na, kaya kailangan gamitin unlimited na paggamit ng native garlics kasi marami pa kaming stock doon. Yung G1 garlics, konti na lang natira. So, ito yung gagamitin ko ngayon. Slice ko ito. Let's start saute now. First, I put this garlics, G1 garlics. It's up to you if you put first onions or garlics. But sometimes first I put onions, but by this time I put first garlics. I did not put all this G1 garlics because it's already too much. You can also use soy sauce. Since I don't have soy sauce, so I make Pakistani version. So next time when I cook again, so I will use soy sauce. It's like adobo, just saute garlics, onions. So no need to put tomatoes. So by this time I cook Pakistani version, so they can eat also. Every year I cook this kind of recipe. This leaves of radish. So ito na yung ano yung pinaglinisan ko. Our goats can eat this one. Now we can put now also onions. Ayan. By the way, I use pressure cooker because if I will use this casserole or non-stick wok, so it can consume too much gas or gasol. So I will use pressure cooker and it's easy to cook because I have to use pressure cooker and in 3 minutes it's already cooked. So that's why I use pressure cooker. Cooking or sauteing radish leaves. Garlics and onions is already brown. Now we can put now this turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. And I cook this one Pakistani version. Now we can add now this radish leaves, wash radish leaves. As you can see yung tubig na pinatulog. Ayan, lagay natin lahat. I add also green chilies, but these 2 pieces is not too much, no chilies, but this one is small is too much chilies. Pag naluto ito, if already cooked, it's only maybe 1 plate. Yan. Very hard to use this kind of spoon because plastic. So I will use this one. Hindi masyado mahalo. Oh, yeah. Now we can add little bit water because I use pressure cooker to cook. Just only little. Now we have to cover it. This one. And then we have to cook. Wait, I will arrange this cover. So, ayan, nag-start nang umikot yung pinakapayong. Tawag nila dito ay perpli. So, just only 3 minutes, then we have to turn off the flame. Kasi baka masunog because I just only add little water. Now, we have to remove now this perpli or umbrella. Yung aking pressure cooker ay yung isang ano niya, yung isang ganito ay nasira. Ayan oh, kasi this already I think more than 6 years ago. So tanggalin natin ito para ma-check natin. Tanggalin natin yung takip so we can know if already cooked or not. So, ito na yung radish leaves na maraming dahon kanina dito. So, ito na lang, oh. Kunti na lang natira. 1 plate lang ito. So, tikman natin kung luto na yung tangkay niya and salt is enough. Yung tangkay niya. Kasi pressure cooker ko ng 3 minutes after 3 minutes. Ayan, oh. Tikman natin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sarap. Malambot siya, pati yung tangkay. And then, salt is also enough. So, no need to add more salt.